Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalyang sensyar kala Kyntait no yaka Aiñ-Rew balawan ra da UMLA ko umroy constituency ba George Bilengdo. Kata ka the Megalia Compulsory Protection of Welfare of Children with Special Needs Bill Arhajar Arpoar. Hapo kay Ïingdorbar hakas ngipalay. Habawan ra yakane ka Aiñ-Rew hapo kay Ïingdorbar. Nakalyang UMLA ba George Bilengdo ulapan jingbet na ulampang ban pensay shwa halor kane ka Aiñ-Rew shwa ban bu Ahmad kay Ïingdorbar. Haba pensay halor kane ka Aiñ-Rew UMLA ko umroy ulaong balawan ra yakani kalong bandan dakaan ban Ïada Kyrpang yaki Khynnah ki badon yaki jingduna ki department namar kani ka kata yaki longying ki badung badda kani ka Aiñ-Rew lada kalong an kan yarap yaki Khynnah banyo yaka jingyarap Kyrpang na kasorkar. Hadin balada ban pensay lawan ra yakani ka Aiñ-Rew kabalatip kum the Megalia Compulsory Protection of Welfare of Children with Special Needs Bill Arhajar Arpoar. Hakaba ulampang kay Ïingdorbar ulabu Ahmad kay Ying lakan priang ni Kyntait. Habalabu Ahmad kay Ïingdorbar banshim yakaray kani ka Aiñ-Rew kala syarem hadin bakalyang sensyar kabaladan hakajing bunpat kala job ban persya yakani ka Aiñ-Rew da kaba vote ban supen misur.
Now we come to item number 4. Si George Bilengdo MLA to beg leave to introduce the Megalia Compulsory Protection of Welfare of Children with Special Needs Bill 2022. Si George Bilengdo, please.
Honorable Speaker, sir, before I beg leave of the House, kindly allow me to just give a brief submission, sir. Sir, in the state, sir, there are many children born in economically challenged families that have congenital physical and mental disabilities, sir. Such children have been made more helpless due to the severe financial constraints faced by their biological parents. So even more severe is the condition of those nurtured by single parents. So there are families burdened with more than one child born with congenital deformities. So therefore this bill is to bring kind of protection on the education and health rights of the specially able children up to the age of 18 years who belong to the economically weaker section of society, and that the state government will bear the expenditure for funding their education in registered or recognized institutions for special needs of their choice as recognized by the state government till they attain the age of 18 years, sir. So, I brought this bill because I realized that there's a deprivation of education and healthcare rights to physically challenged children, especially the ones who are born into financially weak families. So this is a violation of the right to free and compulsory education. There's a discrimination. They are being denied of a chance to get a livelihood and a chance to live their lives, sir, which I feel that there's a violation of Articles 14, Article 15, Article 16, Article 21 of the Constitution of India, sir. Therefore, this bill intends to provide compulsory education and healthcare support to children with special needs up to the age of 18 years, sir. So therefore, sir, before I beg leave of this August House, I would like to plead before...
No, please, you have to beg leave to introduce the House, and then I have to beg leave to the House, please.
Yes, sir, before I
yes,
beg
you
leave,
please beg leave to introduce first.
Sir, therefore I plead, sir, before the honorable members to kindly allow me to beg leave of this August House to introduce the Megalia Compulsory Protection of Welfare of Children with Special Needs Bill 2022, sir.
So motion moved. Let me put the question before the House. The question is that leave be granted to introduce the Megalia Compulsory Protection of Welfare of Children with Special Needs Bill 2022. Those who are in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those who are against say no. The noes have it. The noes have it. The motion is not carried and leave to introduce the bill is not granted. The bill is therefore rejected by the House.